Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Children, you've done all the questions that were shared. All questions of chapter 6, they have been done. Aradhya, Taranveer, Ankush, Gautam.
Sorry, ma'am, I was gone.
Okay, beta. What was the last thing that we did yesterday? Just open your copy and see.
Yesterday, today morning.
Oh, yes. In the morning also we had a class. What did we do then?
I have to do question and answers. Ma'am, question answer.
Have we completed the chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Almost. But ma'am, you were saying we will do revision of that chapter.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
listen to me, Aradhya. Open your copy. The last question that we did was, what is an isthmus? Right? What is an isthmus? Have you made any diagram of isthmus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you've made. Now, before that question, there is also a question, why is a plateau called a tableland? Right? Why is a plateau called a tableland? Now, here you are supposed to draw a picture of a plateau. I'm going to share a picture on screen that you have to draw. Beta, there are few diagrams in this chapter that are supposed to be drawn.
Ma'am, we have to make a blank page.
Yes, on the blank side, you have to draw. See, I'll share a picture with you of plateau. If you don't know what to draw, then you can draw this. How do plateaus look? It is like a mountain, but it is flat on the top. Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, can I?
What can I? Okay. Here's the picture of plateau. Share screen.
Ma'am, picture of tableland.
Yes.
We not send any picture on WhatsApp.
No, not on WhatsApp. It is here on the screen. Can you see this flat mountain kind of?
Like a table.
What?
Ma'am, it is really looking like a table.
Yes, it is looking like a table.
Yes, ma'am, a pair of shoes it is looking like. Ma'am, we can see a very beautiful view from it.
Yes, it's looking very nice.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
I will share this
Ma'am,
picture
so
on
difficult.
WhatsApp also.
Ma'am, so difficult. Ma'am, we
It's
have
so
to draw
difficult.
this.
No, beta, it is not difficult.
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
Yes, you have to draw this.
Ma'am, anyone or ma'am all?
No, just one. Just wait, beta, I'm clicking picture. Just
Ma'am,
wait.
in a copy.
Yes, in your copy. You have to draw it in your copy. I'll send the picture on WhatsApp group also. I'm just sending it. Wait for a minute. You have to draw it in front of.
Ma'am, I have sent on WhatsApp the book one picture.
See, check your WhatsApp group. It is there.
Ma'am, front of. Ma'am, it is looking like a shoes when I am drawing it.
It is looking like a
Shoes.
cruise.
Very
It's
much
looking like a
shoes.
cruise.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to draw front of which question?
In front of the question, that is, why is a plateau called a tableland?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see screen.
Vidanshu, you're joining your class after such a long time. Why, beta? Where were you from all these days? Why were you not attending your classes? Have you done the work from day group? Okay. Now be regular in the class. The class looks very incomplete without you. Beta, you have to draw this in front of question number 2. Why is a plateau called a tableland? Start drawing this picture.
Ma'am, I'm coloring. Ma'am, I have made it both of the diagrams. Ma'am means I have made it a
Yes,
diagram and colored it also.
you've made and colored also. Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, we have to send on the group also.
Beta, wait. After this, you will draw one more diagram. Let everybody
ma'am.
draw this, finish this, then I'll share the next one.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
you find a good picture of mountain range, then you can draw that. If you find a good picture, what is a mountain range? A group of mountains close to each other is called a range of mountains.
I have very good photo of it.
Beta, I will send the photo of it, don't worry. But first draw this one. Let everybody draw this.
I
Then I'll
find
share
it.
the other one.
Ma'am, I found it the picture.
Okay, very nice. Beta, I have shared the picture of mountain range also.
Ma'am, where we have to make a mountain range?
Beta, there is a question. What is a mountain range? In front of that, you have to show what a mountain range is.
But I draw plateau, so there's no space to draw.
So you have drawn plateau on the whole page.
Ma'am, some space is left.
Some space, so make in that some space.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this space, a very small mountain can make.
So beta, mountain range will come in a small space. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Or if you want to make it on the next page, you can make it on some other page. And simply write the name what you have made.
Ma'am, make mountains.
Very nice.
Mountain.
Now color them like this only.
Okay, ma'am. Sarojini Naidu, Ahmed Salim Fasman, Lal Nagartila, Lal Jafar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Hello, Bal. But how are you? Really? Ma'am, I also make the mountain range and color it.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I have also make the mountain range and color it.
Very nice. And what about others?
Ma'am, I am coloring. Yes. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, beta, very good. Let's wait for 2 more minutes for everyone to finish.
Ma'am, now can I send in group?
Yes, beta. Now send your work in the group. Everybody, each one of you send it.
Ma'am, I have 100.
Very nice, Taranveer. You have drawn very well. Beautiful. Okay, well done, children. All of you have drawn. Is there anybody still doing?
Ma'am, how was my drawing? Ma'am, how
Nice,
was my drawing?
Akshar. Akshar, it's nice. But I will not call it very nice because it is not looking very nice. And Aradhya, yours also, beta. You can, I know you all can draw better. What about you, Ankush Gautam? Arsalan? What about all of you?
Ma'am, please say again.
What about you all? When will you send your drawing? Aradhya, I said that you can draw better, I know. I will not call it a very good drawing. I said this. Okay, now children, I'll type a few questions in the chat box. All of you will answer there only. For the last 10 minutes, let's just revise this chapter.
Ma'am, in last 10 minutes, there are 10 parts.
Question number 1 in the chat box. Only one answer. Correct answer, Akshaj. Where are others' answers? A dash is a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides.
सफेद कलर होता है मेरे में है नहीं तो हम सफेद
Ankush, mute yourself. Very good, Taranveer, correct answer. What about Alankrita, Arshika, Praveer? Where are your answers? Wrong answer, Aradhya. Children, a piece of land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. Okay, it is a peninsula. Now be ready for the next question. Okay, next question in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have sent the answer. Ma'am?
Yes, very good, Akshaj. Where are others' answers? Where are other children's answers?
I don't know.
Very good answer. Correct, Taranveer. Aradhya, the answer is isthmus. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land that joins two bodies of land. Now, look at the next question.
Ma'am, I have sent the answer. Ma'am, I also.
Very nice, Akshaj. Very nice, Aradhya. Taranveer, your answer is awaited. And what about other students? You're not sending the answers. Next question.
Ma'am, check my answer. Ma'am, I have write the answer. Can you see my drawing?
You have sent it on the class group?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have write the answer. Ma'am, I typed in the answer.
Ankush, beta, I have not received. Okay. Nice. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, the land of dry area is called a desert. Only Taranveer and Akshaj have studied properly. No other student has studied. Okay, name the continent that is the most populated. Write the name of the continent that is the most thickly populated.
Ma'am, write the answer.
Only two answers as usual. Taranveer and Akshaj. Only two answers. Okay, one last question. Which continent is called island continent?
Ma'am, I write.
Very nice. Aradhya, Taranveer, Akshaj. All correct answers. Okay. Now let's end the class. No time is left.
Bye, ma'am. It is lunch time.
Bye, children. Go and join.